Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will learn about the waterfall of the world. The highest waterfall of the world is option A, Tugela Falls, option B, Angel Falls, option C, Mariana Falls. The correct answer is option B. The highest waterfall of the world is Angel Falls. Angel Falls is located in option A, United States, option B, Mexico, option C, Venezuela. Option C is correct option. Angel Falls is located in Venezuela. Venezuela is the country of South America continent. The height of Angel Falls is option A, 3,212 feet, option B, 4,111 feet, option C, 3,290 feet. The correct answer is option A, 3,212 feet. The second highest waterfall of the world is option A, Annoying, option B, Brown, option C, Tugela. The correct answer is C, Tugela. What deer is the name of option A, waterfalls, option B, lake, option C, island. The correct answer is option A. Windows Deer is the name of waterfall which is located in United States. Ribbon Falls is located in option A, United States, option B, Canada, option C, Mexico. Ribbon Fall is located in the state of US, California. The height of the Takaka Fall is option A, 1,700 feet, option B, 1,260 feet, option C, 1,800 feet. The correct answer is option B, 1,260 feet. King Edward VIII Waterfalls is located in option A, Norway, option B, Italy, option C, Guyana. The correct option is Guyana. King Edward Waterfall is located in Guyana. Guyana is also the country of South America continent. Karsopa Waterfalls is located in option A, Guyana, option B, Uganda, option C, India. Karsopa Waterfall is located in the state of India, Indian state. Indian state Karnataka. The Sopa waterfall is located in Karnataka. Karnataka is state of India. The 10th highest waterfall of the world is option A, Windows Deer, option B, Multnomah, option C, Marina. The correct answer is option A, Windows Deer. If you like this video, please subscribe and share to your friends.